Restive and ready for action. Public sector unions increase pressure on Finance Ministry to settle outstanding wage issues. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, fresh calls about and concerns about the census, and the Jamaica Environment Trust calls for tougher sanctions against persons who pollute waterways. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.